Well, it says here in the script, the guys are perfect Oh, sorry. You guys are the perfect students. Wanna know why? Because you were able to watch this show while reading your books. That's great. That's excellent. That's noteworthy. Yeah, and I'm Weeb Serena.
Don't scare them by giving them so many tasks to do at the same time. Don't make them multitask so much. Okay, now, when you're watching K-Now, you have to relax, right? I'm Joseph Roble.
We have something that you would definitely enjoy. Plus, our student correspondents are here at the studio with us. I'm Nina Nodal.
You're tuning to the show where the youth stands out loud and proud. You're watching K-Now. Rise, my friend.
Shoes. We just love them. We can never live a day without shoes. Ever since the prehistoric man felt the pain of walking through thorny bushes or the rocks in the dirt road, we have invented shoes to protect our feet. We have also thought of ways to make them last longer. So K-Now is tied up with the experts from Mr. Quickie to give us tips on how to make shoes last longer. Here's Isla for more details.
Thank you, Nina, Weebs, and Joseph. Shoes. They provide support in our step. They protect our feet from the ground we walk in. They even pack technology for better walking. But have we ever really thought of how to take care of them? Or make them last longer? This coming school year, K-Now asked the help of the shoe experts on how to make your pre-loved school shoes ready when classes open. Classmates, watch this.
Ako nga pala si Joel Africano, tuturuan ko kayo ng tamang paraan ng pag-shine ng sapatos. Ang mga gagamitin po natin ay basahan para sa paglinis ng mga pagtanggal ng mga alikabok ng sapatos, foam, pangpahid ng sebong gagamitin natin, sebo or shoe polish, at yung brush para sa pagpapakintab ng sapatos. Step 1, gamitin ang basahan pangtanggal ng alikabok ng sapatos. Step 2, kumuha ng shoe polish at ipahid sa sapatos ng paikot ang stroke. Step 3, patuyuin ang shoe polish ng hanggang 3 minuto. Last step, pakikintabi natin ang sapatos gamit ang shoe brush. For easy step ng tamang paraan ng pag-shine ng sapatos. Ito naman ang 3 tips para mas tumagal ang buhay ng leather school shoes nyo. Tip number 1, pagkatapos gamitin ang school shoes, ugaliing ilagay sa shoe box or sa shoe rack upang hindi ito malikabukan at ma-deform. Tip number 2, iwasang mabasa ang inyong school shoes. If ever na mabasa man ito, punasan agad ito ng tuyong basahan at patuyuin. Tip number 3, ugaliing mag-polish ng shoes every weekends. And during the weekdays, i-brush na lamang ito upang ma-preserve yung kintab ng sapatos. I'm Joel Africano from Mr. Quickie.
Classmates, now you know. Off you go, shine those shoes for school year 2011 to 2012. I'm Ayla Shardina Magkamit from the Florentino Torres High School, reporting for K-Now. Back to you, Nina, Weebs, and Joseph.
Thank you, Mr. Quickie, for those useful tips. And thank you, Isla, for joining us today. I'm Nina Nodal.
Thank you, Nina. Classmates, if you want to send videos of your school events or what have you, and you want to see it here on K-Now, just log on to the website below. I'm Ayla Shardina Magkamit.
Alright, thank you Ayla. We are very much pleased to have you here with us. Anyway, guys, tune in later for more of K-Now. I am Weeb Serena.
Yup, that's right. And like what we always say here.
Always.
Keep that... let go of the remote control. I'm tired of saying keep it locked in. Just keep the channel locked in. On the show where the youth stands out loud and proud, this is
K-Now!
Through.
Short. Ano ba yun?